This 2023 Forest River No Boundaries NB 20.3 EO is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. This new Forest River is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Aspen Frost interior, sleeps 8, refrigerator, air conditioning, stove top burner, LP detector, smoke detector, Colorado detector, Skylight, Slideout, water heater, spare tire kit, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River No Boundaries NB 20.3 EO is 4,662 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Highway Trailer Sales, visit RVUSA.com.